Electrical Machine 2, code EX501, EMF equation. From the elementary discussion of DC generator containing one or two coils, it can be summarized that if we increase the number of coils in armature, the resultant EMF increases across the terminals. Also, the profile of DC voltage improves, as the ripple factor also decreases with the increase in number of coils. Mode of operation of DC machine as a generator and how it produces the EMF has already been discussed, as this is governed by the principle of electromagnetic induction using Fleming's right hand rule. It has also been discussed that how the EMF and its respective current produced in the armature always produces the MMF on the vertical or quadrature axis, and how the field axis is called as direct axis. The field MMF and armature MMF always remain stationary with respect to each other. The EMF induced in one coil at any time is given by EC equal to N omega R phi sine omega RT, where N is the number of turns in the coil, omega R is the speed in radians per second, flux, average flux per pole. The voltage appearing at the brushes is unidirectional, and its average or DC value can be calculated by integrating half cycle of the rectified waveform and average it for the same cycle. EMF per DC EMF produced is represented by EC equal to 2 upon pi N omega R phi. This equation can further be modified by replacing omega R by 2 pi f, where f is equal to Pn upon 2. So replacing omega R equal to pi Pn equation for EMF per coil can be modified to 2n Pn phi. Number of turns can be replaced by total number of conductors divided by 2. So the average EMF per conductor can be calculated as Pn phi. In DC machine, the average output voltage or a DC voltage or EMF can be calculated if we know the average EMF per conductor multiplied by the number of conductors in each parallel path. If Z is the total number of armature conductors arranged in a parallel path, then series conductors between brushes are Z upon A. The given EMF equation phi Zn P upon A can be written as Ke times phi into N, where K is constant. Another way of modifying the same equation is to replace the N by its radian quantity omega m upon 2 pi. And the resultant equation is EA equal to Ka phi omega m, where K is armature constant equal to Zp upon 2 pi A.